Hello everyone, good evening, namaskar. I am Vivek Gupta. I am a Client Relationship Manager from Amazon Web Services. And I am very delighted to be here today and I thank Retail Association of India for giving me this opportunity to speak in front of you. And before we go to how AWS can help retailers here in Northeast, I would like to understand from you all that what are the major challenges you are currently facing in acquiring customer, maybe data or anything related to retail. Can we pass a mic to the audience? Is it possible? Okay, if anyone want to share, I will come there. So I want it to be a conversation rather than a presentation. So if anyone want to share any challenges that they are facing currently? Knowing the customer itself. Okay, as Vikram sir said, knowing the customer itself. Anything else? Okay, let me pitch in for you. I think according to me, there are majorly 3-4 main challenges. One is, as Vikram sir mentioned, is knowing your customer. Second would be, there's data coming from all the sides, be it your marketing campaigns, be it your sales data, and be it your customer behavior. And we actually don't have an idea how we can get insights from that. So data analytics is one of the part. Second would be the operations cost. You know, when you scale your business, minimizing the cost in operation is a huge challenge. And another would be, you know, getting insight from customer behavior, what is their buying behavior, how we can predict our sales and how we can act upon it, right? So we will go one-on-one on that, but before that, I'll just touch upon what is cloud, right? So cloud is something, it's an on-demand delivery of IT resources, right? Let's imagine there's a data center somewhere in the world, and you can access all the compute power, all the server power, all the storage that you want using your computer through the internet. And it's a pay-as-you-go pricing. If you have a fair idea about the servers that you buy or the hardware that you buy, you have to invest with a fixed expenses, right? But in cloud, it's not like that. You pay only for what you need and what you use. Let's say you build a website, and there are currently, let's say, 100 users there. And suddenly, your business boomed and there's around, let's say, a lakh of traffic's going on there. So overnight, you cannot scale your servers. But in cloud, it's not like that. It's real-time scaling. Even if in a fraction of seconds, if the traffic reaches from 10 to 10 lakhs or 10 crores, the website will scale accordingly. This is the best part about cloud. Apart from scalability, their agility. It gives you a chance to move faster. You know, time to market will be less. The competition is growing, and as Kumar sir also mentioned that, you know, it's really important to get to your customer faster. So this agility is provided by cloud. To speak in easy language, you can build anything, any solution that you want, be it a customer behavior, data analytics solutions, or maybe warehouse, inventory management, anything you want to build, you can come to cloud, you can try those services. If it works, you can scale it. If it not, you can drop it. So it's as fast as that. And you have to pay only for that what you use. This is the thing with cloud. Right, moving forward, what sets AWS apart? So it's not that we build solution and we try to, you know, bring it to you or sell it. AWS was born from retail, from Amazon.com, right? And we mostly believe in working backwards from what the user experience is. As you can see, the design might be different, but the easy way might be different. So we build around, we walk backwards. We try to understand what is the user experience. That's what I tried to do in the beginning. I wanted to understand what are your challenges, right? And we build around that. So everything built on AWS, every services that you need is built understanding your challenges first. And not to brag, but yes, for 13th consecutive time, we have been leader in cloud platform services. Right now, we will talk about, as I mentioned, what are the retail solutions that we can provide in AWS. As it was born from retail, Amazon.com was built on it. And in 2006, the servers were made public. We introduced as a public cloud, right? So addressing the challenges one by one, first would be how you can improve your insights, how you can reach your customer faster. So there are more than 200 plus services on AWS that you can use to store your data. There might be, let's take an example of stores. Some of you might have 100 of stores across Northeast. And there might be 100 of retail data, sales data there. So you can accumulate all those data at one place, and you can analyze what is working in which store, what is not working, what marketing campaign works well, what to do, what not to do with all those data insights at one place. It's not that some of the data is in one store, in one computer, and I'm not able to access. There are Excel sheets. So it's a lot of hassle. So it makes it easy to analyze the data that you have across. Next would be your operations, be it supply chain, your inventory management, or you might also be using lots of ERP solutions for your business. So integrating it with your data, it makes easier to optimize it. And constantly we work on optimizing the cost, the insight that you get from the operations solutions. It is easy to manage and lower the cost, right? And last but not the least, the most important part would be transform your customer experiences. This is one of the things that we are challenged every time, and it is very hard to retain a customer. Brand loyalty currently is, I think it's the thing of past, right? Brand loyalty is something it is very hard to gain, and wherever the customer are getting a good product, cheaper product, or a better customer experience, they move very quickly. And it also makes it easier to get to the customer faster. If you have a good product, if you have a better time to market, a faster time to market, better insights on customer, it is easier to get to the customer faster. So it also make it easy to make it better what the customer experiences it. Some of the other solutions that we are working with some of our big clients, it is around smart stores, where you can understand how many people in a day they walk in, how many people convert, what are their behavior, what people see and don't buy, what they buy multiple times, how to retain it. That can be seen in smart stores, digital commerce part, intelligent supply chain, and many others. Solution that we are already working on. Generative AI, ML is a buzzword currently, right? And it's like if you haven't implemented any generative AI thing in your let's say website or your solutions, it's like we are lagging behind somewhere. It's developing so fast that it is hard to catch. At AWS, all the generative AI, ML services that we have, we help our customers to build, there are endless possibilities that we can do, from chatbots to voice bots, chatbot for your websites. I will take an example of an ethnic apparel customer that we have. We are building a virtual try-on. You might have seen that with glasses, that you take a selfie and you can check what the glasses look good on you. Same thing we are doing with the apparel industry, and where you can take a full photo of you, a selfie of you, and you can, instead of the model, you will be there wearing that cloth. You can see how good you look on that. So these are the endless possibilities that we can work on with generative AI. I want to present an example of BigBasket. We all might know about BigBasket. So once they moved to cloud, they used to use our services. They were able to save around 18% of their cost. It was around the data. It was around the operations that they built. And there are lots of services that you can manage your costs. You can keep your budget in check, and you can optimize your IT infrastructure. So to give a kickstart to your service, be it small, be it big, anything. If you want to build a solution, if you are thinking something, you don't have to wait. You just have to come to us. We have expertise. We have retail expertise partners that can help you build solution, and AWS Lift Program to help you understand the services, try the services, build the solution that you are doing. So it's as simple as that. You can register on Lift Program, and you will get credits upfront, around $250 upfront credits to experiment with the services. And once you have built the solution, and once you reach different tiers of monthly billing, the credits will be get credited in your account, right? So it's a commitment-free program that we are working on to help customers like you, business owners like you, to experiment, to at least see what cloud is possible, what is possible on cloud. This is a program that we are working on. And we have a booth right here. If you want to come here, have a discussion, discuss with me what challenges you are facing, what solution you need, right? Be it anything. We will work on that. We'll try to build a solution with our partners, and we'll help you with funding programs to get started. So that will be all from my side. Thank you so much. Thank you for inviting me. Thanks a lot.